Hello and welcome to this video where we will learn how to use the Plastic SEM plugin for Unity. Plastic SEM plugin for Unity is a free plugin that allows you to invoke Plastic SEM commands. You can check in and undo pending changes. You can get notified of incoming changes and update your workspace. There is a workflow that fits your needs. You can use glue-on mode, which is better suited for artists, and developer mode. A workflow suited for programmers that allows you to have more control over branches, divs, etc. In this video, we will focus on the developer mode. Here, I have a Unity project with all the assets. The next thing that I have to do is to go to the asset store and search for the Plastic SEM plugin and then install it into our Unity project. As soon as it finishes, we will be able to go to Window, Plastic SEM to open the Plastic SEM window. I'm going to dock it next to my inspector window, but as you know, you can dock it wherever you want. I'm going to create a new repository for my project, so I will click on the New button. The name I will choose is Lost Crypt Game. And then I will select the organization I want to use to host my project. In this case, Unity Game. Finally, the workspace. I'm a programmer, so I will go with the developer mode. This will allow me to create branches, push changes, etc. I create my workspace, and now my Plastic SEM window is populated with all these assets in my project. Next, I'm going to check in my assets. So I select all of them and write a brief description for my check-in. We can see at the bottom that Plastic is uploading everything to the cloud. Now, we don't have any pending changes or any incoming changes, so that means we are up to date. Let's open the Branch Explorer. This is the Branch Explorer. You can see that we just have one branch, which is called main, and just one change set, which is where my workspace is located at now. You can identify it with the home icon. Okay, next, we want to make changes to our project. In Plastic, the recommendation is to have one branch per task. And don't worry, you can have many branches. Plastic can handle them. I will right-click on the main branch and will create a new branch from this change set. I'll name my branch Gameplay Modifications, and I'm going to switch my workspace to that new branch. Notice that our workspace is now in the new branch, and then we will start making changes to our project. Let's jump back into Unity. What I will do is to make some changes in my scene. I want my character to jump higher, so I will change her jump force. After that, let's check in those changes. In this example, the changes were small, but it's okay. I will go back to the Plastic window and create a message and check in my changes. If we open the Branch Explorer, we can see the change set in the branch that we just created. Back to Unity, let's now make some changes to our code. I will open the character controller script and do something simple. Just refactor a bit by changing the order of my methods. I'll move the update direction to the bottom of my script. I save it and then return to Unity. In the Plastic window, we have some pending changes. I'm going to add another message saying that I refactored my script. And then check in those changes. Let's launch the Branch Explorer again. You can see that we have two change sets in my branch. Now what I want is to bring those changes into my main branch. What I'm going to do first is to move my workspace to the head of the main branch. Then I click on the change set that I want to merge into the main branch and then select Merge from this change set. We don't have any conflict to resolve, but Plastic has a very powerful diff tool, so I can see what changed on my script. The changes that I made were simple, and the semantic div shows me that one method just went from one part in my code to another. I apply the changes, and then I have nothing else to merge. I'll check in the pending changes, basically the merge. I will add my comments and then check in. Now we're back into the main branch again. Let's go and open Plastic. You can see here that I have my game in the cloud with no pending changes, and I can see the branch explorer and the change sets through time. Now, someone in my team was modifying the project while I was working on this. In my Plastic window, you see that there are some incoming changes. I click on the update button and I see that there are no conflicts. I can div the incoming changes and you can see that there were other basic changes in a script. I can update my workspace, bringing the changes. You see that the character's position also changes as the person working on that also changed it. You can do many more advanced things with Plastic and the plugin, but these were just the basics. I hope it was useful and thanks for watching.